ya bed there. It tried to have a fair. I do not sort. I do not need wine able. I do not bay. I do not a guy. I do not hurry. Boka with my guy. While I read and go sa. Other than that, now. Wasu. You might have been a near hair. It will not be no wine. And Matthew Sam, we had no key. Sam, we had no key. It will no. It will not one na. Baru way about. It will not one na. Baru way a ho. It will not one na. Baru say no kauja fair. I welcome everyone to this evening presentation. Yes. Let all of us gather together wherever we are, those who speak English and those who speak Edo. Today, this is not a sermon we're going to preach. It is a prayer that we want to learn. The other day we learned the Lord's Prayer, but today it's a prayer that is in the book of Psalm, in the Holy Bible. It is called the Shepherd Psalm. The Shepherd Psalm. This Shepherd Psalm is a very important psalm. Very important psalm. He has praise for God. He has requests for safety, and he has recognition for circumstance. So it covers every ground. It's a psalm that is worth learning. So we go side by side. We read it a little bit in Edo, and then we'll do it in English too. We explain it in English. Thank you and welcome. Wakimagayo, Iruna re ebe psalm, uhumu ehanyaugie. That is 23. Psalm, ebe psalm, uhumu ehanyaugie. Oh, you Bible. Wakimagayo. Enoyama oi osuwame. Enoyama oi osuwame. The Lord is my shepherd. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. I shall not be in want. Orieme lobiaye oha no furi. Or Hieme loye ye oha no furi. He maketh me to lie down in the green pastures. He maketh me to lie down in the green pastures. Orieme gadiye asefen amoyen. Orieme gadiye asefen. Ora moyen non fure kwere. Orieme gadiye asefen amen. Non fure kwere. He leadeth me beside the still waters. The still waters kwere. God leadeth me beside the still waters. He restored my soul. Ofume ekoi igberi. He restored my soul. Orieme gari asefame no furi kwere. Ofume ekoi igberi. Orieme gari ode emata. Prun de bien. Prun da enien. He put me in the path of righteousness because of his name. He put me in the pathway of righteousness for his name's sake, because of his name. Where Melarega Kiawe, Ugo Ugo We. Ore agangan uwu wege merarega kian ve ugwo bo ugwo we. Ore agangan uwu lo behold even if I walk in the shadow of death, although I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, Ohan oko rokpa eimu me. Ohan oko rokpa eimu me. I shall not be afraid of any evil. I shall not be afraid of any evil. Tunda were they by me, because thou art with me. Because you are with me. Tunda were they by me, because you are with me. Orokwawe, kupopowe, orokwawe, kupopowe, your rod and your staff. Eyafume, egbere, they all comfort me. Orokwawe, kupopowe, eyafume, egbere, your rod and your staff, they all comfort me. Uba, ipatako evae yoto, wodaro iya negia me. Salugba kana o. Uba, ipatako evae yoto, wodaro iya negia me. You have prepared a table of food. A table of food down in the presence of my enemies. You have prepared a table of food down for me in the presence of my enemies. Unana oyi yome uhumu. You anoint my head with oil. You anoint my head with oil. Unana oyi yome uhumu. You anoint my head with oil. Uku me voin. Obakwa. Uku me voin. Obakwa. My cup is fulfilled and running over. Hallelujah. My cup is filled and running over. Emata. Oma kebe itoha. Oga nwa leleve kianri. Emata. Oma kebe itoha. Oga nwa leleve kianri. Verily, goodness and mercy shall follow me, long. Truly, goodness and mercy shall follow me long. In all the days of my life. Through all the days of my life. Megave die owai no nyama ya ededemende ise. Megave die owai no nyama ya ededemende ise. I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever and ever Amen. You recognize this the other day. Forever, from day to day to day to day. Amen. Megare o why no nya manja ededement is found in Psalm 23, 1 to 6. I hope we got it. And we dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. I think we are getting it. Okay. Maybe we want to run through it one time so that we grab it in full. All right? Okay. This time to be faster. So let's get ready. Okay. The best time we ha nya uke. Inonya na osu nwame. Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Or ye man lobye ye who had no food. Or ye man got ye a safe amen. No food quere. Or fume a coy a berry. He placed me to lie down in the valley that is full of water. He restored my soul. Okay? Now we're moving forward. He has led me to the path of righteousness because of his name. Yes. Wege megarigatian be ugo ugo we oge agongon wu o ha ko ropa imu me. Behold, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. Thou thou wert barren, for thou art with me. Orokwawe kupopowe, eyafume egbere, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Uwa ipatako ebae yoto, udaro iyan negian men. You lay down a table of food in the presence of my enemies. In the presence of my enemies. Unana oyi yove uhumu. You have anointed my head with oil. Upu me voin of aqua. My cup is filled and running over. Emata. Oma kebe itoha. Oga wa le leve kian rin. Behold, goodness and mercy shall follow me long. All the days of my life. With that moment here, all the days of my life. Megave die owa no nyamanja. Edede. He said, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. I believe we have gotten it. It's a very powerful psalm. Yayo lamanion, you want no qua, erun no qua, no rebe psalm, when have yogi. Ogi mawa achi, we don't have about odieke. I think we can begin to recite it as a prayer, slowly but definitely, like this. Inonyama or suwame. Mekianga neme, or ye man lubia you had no fury, Orie me gadi e fan me no fure kwere. O fu me e ko egbere. Orie me gadi e ude mata. Fun da eniyan. The mata. Ugbe me ga ki abu go bogo we. O ga go wu. O ho ko ro pa imu me. Fun da we de ba me. O ro kwa we. Kupopo we. E ya fu me egbere. Uwa ikpatako ebae yoto odawi an negi ame. Unona owi yomuhu. Upu me vuan obakwa. Evanta. Oma kebe ito han. Ora wanle le mekian. We dagbo me ya. Prin we dagbo me ya. Mega be di owe no nyamanja. Edede mende. He said. You get it? It goes stage by stage, spiritually. The Lord, He is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restored my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for His name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valleys of the shadows of death, I will fear no evil. For thou, O God, you are with me. And thou preparedst a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou, O Lord, you anointed my head with oil. My cup is filled and running over. Surely, goodness and mercy shall follow me long, long all the days of my life. And I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. So it shall be for all of us forever. Amen. Joga yeni mahya o. He said.